So this is the first time that we see the volume of AMC is double of GameStop. We close almost around the 50 million for AMC and GameStop just 20 million. However, for AMC, have a bit of uh, time to break the $5.50, which is, as you can look here, we a bit far from the resistance. That's why we have, at least technically, the price closed around 4% up and GameStop just 2% down, because as we said here, GameStop already tried to break this current resistance, but we didn't clear it. That's why we are down right now a bit for GameStop, and AMC, we are a bit far from the resistance. That's why we have 4% up. We need another 10% for AMC to squeeze. So we're going to discuss the price target, guys, for AMC and GameStop for Monday and the next month, of course, the July, and what we should expect and where the price target for both of them and what should do if the price gap up by tomorrow on Monday, because we might have it. If we have it, guys, we're gonna do an early live streaming on our Discord, and after that, as usual, on our YouTube to discuss GameStop and AMC action. And remember, if you want to have access to a screener and everything, start screener, as you can see here on Momo, you can use the desktop version, which you have the start screener. Level 2 data is for free, and of course you have the access to option chains and everything on Momo, which is coming in handy if you want to be ahead in the market. And of course you have access to this generous offer, 15 free stocks plus 8.1 APY for the uninvested cash. So let's get right to it, guys, and let's get right to it to discuss AMC. What's going on with AMC? We've got a nice reversal from the $4. The price, as we discussed before, since the beginning of June, we have a huge dive, almost 35% for AMC. And every time when we have a big sell-off like this, let me just show you here. We have a sell-off of 45%. We have a drastic reversal, very quick, almost 40%. Then here we have a drastic selling pressure, again, 45%. And then we have a drastic pump, almost 50%. And here we have a drastic short open, almost 35%. And now we're going to have the drastic jump up as well, because every time when we had oversold territory, or the price hitting a undervalued price target for AMC, we see the trigger for many investors buying the dip for AMC. So this is a not bad reaction for AMC to have, and I will show you exactly what we should do in July. First, we have this bottom support. What I mean this should be our support and never break it down. Why? The simple answer is because we want to confirm if we're gonna have, or if we still have, the big whale swimming here. If they're swimming here, guys, nobody can go below this level, because there's high pressure and some sharks can go deeper in the ocean. Only big whales and other creatures can live down in the depths. So here we want to confirm that the depths is harbored by whale. And how we're going to confirm that is this support act as a bottom, and of course once we go there, we're gonna have the whale eating the dip, and this is will make the price jump up eventually to make the sharks and everybody go up on the surface, and of course cover up toward the 590, 680, of course after we break the 550. So this is the scenario that we should expect for the next month if we still holding, guys, over the 4. Even though if we don't have some action here, we don't want to go down toward or below the $3.60. For GameStop, the same. We need to have a support. We don't want to even visit the 17. 17, 16 is kind of the bottom for this year, but the support for the next month to confirm an earlier squeeze is over, for my opinion, over the 2270 would be really good to hold, which we have a smaller range for GameStop depending on what you look than AMC. over this current support, because right now we close just below 25. Now, what we should expect for GameStop? GameStop have a near experience of a breakout, but it didn't happen. Let me just show you what's happened here. I think we got this situation on Thursday. Yes, near experience of breakout, but the price didn't break. Now, we need to have a gap up, guys, in the pre-market. If we have this reaction of a gap up, will be perfect for the play for GameStop for the next week. So this is the reaction that we should expect. Gap up here over the 2617, and this will give us a major shift in the market around 22%, 32.26. We have other targets for sure around the 66% up, around the 44, and the other one almost around the 67. So once we squeeze, guys, we should have those level and beyond. Don't think about the 100% because we've got a big seller around the 45. We have to clear this guy first in order to confirm that we're gonna have uninterrupted squeeze up, because usually when we have the real squeeze like happened here, guys, a gap up and the stocks continue to go up, FOMO buying and continue to go up. This is the perfect squeeze once we have major short cover, big whale buying, and plus we have the FOMO buying. Three things. If it happened, we're gonna have a parabolic price jump for GameStop and never stop until it hit 100 or beyond. This is only happen if we have three things happen. As we said, big whale buying, short covering, and Abe's FOMO buying. For the same for AMC, if we have those three things, we're gonna have a parabolic price go until almost even not the $10 but the 1938, and this will give us a major shift, almost 300%. And for GameStop, will give us at least 300%. So the target for both GameStop and AMC, if they really squeeze, guys, for this year, not even the next month, is 300%, 3 times the action. So we have to watch for both of them in the pre-market. This will give us a good signal if we're gonna have the jump of 300% or not, because we already had 300% earlier this year or last few months, where GameStop jumped and squeezed 300%. So we have to be prepared for this action. If you want to be prepared early, just come and join us in our Discord and Patreon, where we always do a pre-market watch list for tomorrow before the market open to prepare for the market for entry and exit for those stocks. After that, we trade the market live around 1 p.m. CET or 2 hours and 30 minutes before the market open. So thank you for watching and see you by tomorrow.